Hello, and welcome to Moisture Matters, the show where we take your everyday and not so everyday objects and test them to see which has more moisture. Today we're testing 3D printing materials. Which do you think has more moisture, ABS pellets or ABS filament? Let's find out. To test the plastics, the filament was cut into short strips that would fit inside a sample bottle. After weighing the samples in the respective sample bottles, we placed them on the transport, entered their weights into the moisture analyzers, selected the correct program, and started the test. Moisture is a well-known enemy of plastics, and that's no different for pellets and filaments that are designed for 3D printing. Too much moisture in 3D printing material weakens polymer chains and causes bubbles to form and expand within the product as it's heated and extruded. This gives the final product a rougher finish and makes it more brittle and easier to pull apart layer by layer. Excess moisture can also cause expansion, discoloration, runniness, and stringing, all of which negatively affect the aesthetic quality and structural integrity of the final product. Signs that there is too much moisture in your pellet or filament include steam and a hissing or popping sound coming from the nozzle. To avoid this, manufacturers must control the moisture content in their pellets and filaments. As you can see from our test, the filament had almost 1.6 times more moisture than the pellets. Both materials are natural colored ABS, but they are different brands, so one reason for a difference in moisture content could be differences in production, drying specifications, and material composition. Packaging could have also had an effect on moisture content, as could storage and transportation conditions. The filament is an acrylic ABS blend, and it could contain additives that increase the hygroscopic nature of the filament. Thanks for joining us on Moisture Matters. We hope you learned something today, or at least enjoyed watching us test the moisture content of ABS pellets and filament for 3D printing. If you did, let us know by liking, commenting, and subscribing. And remember, in matters of moisture, nothing matters more than moisture matters. If you like this video, click on the box to the left to check out some of our other Moisture Matters videos. Have something you want us to test? Suggest the next Moisture Matters topic by clicking on the box to the right.